Welcome this video. Pouch idea for an unwhite entrance interior. A well-designed pouch serves us the getaway to your home. Set the tone for guests and provide a welcome tranquil far from the outdoor. Whether you have a smart French spotted or winter thoughtful design can address both aesthetic and functional. We explored various pouch area to help your you create and invite entrance interior that represent your style well important comfort and usable. Choose the right style. Your pouch should complement the overall architecture, design of your home. Consider the follow style: traditional, classic, French wood run, and unwide set, modern, clay line, minimalist, functional, wood run, and slab material like glass and metal. Rustic, natural wood, stone, and vibrant accommodate for a warm countryside feel. Bohemian, a mix of palette, maximize, and electric decor to create a relaxed, vibrant, flow other for durable and style. The flow material for your pouch impact its long and appear consider those other hardwood classic and elegant but requested minimalities composed depth durable low main entrance and available in various textile conclusion can be set stamp or publish post for a modern look type add personalization with palette and color stone provide a timeless natural appear furniture select for comfort and functionally select the right functional enhance the durable of your pouch some idea impact rock chair and sleep prefix for relax branch set great for comfort space outdoor soft comfortable and unwide for long drink set idea for pouch that durable as an outdoor dining space light offset the paper light enhance soft and aesthetic consider brand like and challenge add a style focal point valve Provide functional illuminate. Lights idea for modern minimalist design. Parts lights illuminate work away for add soft decoration with gardening and plants for comfortable with your pouch into vibrant and refresh space. Popular pouch plants easy customization and movable. Broke add a vibrant interior. Climax vibrant enhance run and paglo. Screen 4 bring color and vibrant throughout out the year. Incorporating seasoning decor. Switch up decor with the seasoning keep your pouch invite your rule. Full weather pouch keep embracing fiber. Untinning warm tone says and rustic lecturing warm even gardening Josie Brom and Tom lights provide and share solve. Add provide elements make your pouch feel more alting and comfortable. Outdoor cushion elegant and functional for block hand sunlight, screen and trim provide shade, enhance aesthetic. Paglo with climax plant natural shade with a decoration touch. Adjustable covered as need. Entrance way Enhancement. Your pouch enhance should timeless blend into the interior of your home. Statement door. Other for a both color. Glass pouch design. Welcome mat and add warm and define the space. House lumber, style and functional access. Simple and functional space solved. Mix your pouch space with those solved idea. Thank you for watching this video.